Hi guys, so we got a little package from one of our sponsors, National Instruments. So let's see what they gave us or what's in the box. Alright, I'm gonna use scissors. Not that strong. Oh, they gave us a letter. We'll read that later. Oh look, a whole bunch of stickers that says I love robots. And then this little tote bag, National Instruments. Miss Sheets, look, we got you another bag.
Oh, cute! Thank you.
What are these? Screen wipes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then National Instrument pencil. Oh, look what we got. These we lose all the time, so.
Little
these,
screwdrivers.
Yeah.
With magnets on the end, right?
This is the best. These are the best, you know. Little pins, lab view, programmers. Oh, another one.
More Wago tools.
What's in here? Oh, stickers.
What does it say?
I build my own friends. When robotics is life and you have no other friends besides robots. Wires, I don't know what they do, but they're wires.
Oh, these are like the connectors. All right, and cool.
Oh,
USB.
USB for the programmers if we use LabVIEW. Or anything else. Oh, this is cute.
What is it?
The evolution of humans and then robots. More pencils. Oh, let's see what's in this box. Wires?
A charger, I think, for
charger?
something. Let me see.
Oh, maybe they gave something that needs a charger. Oh, and then adapters, like outlet adapters, if you're in from like a foreign country.
Is that what these are for?
Yeah. Because I always know every time we go to like Bangladesh, we need to buy those.
Yeah, that happens every time we go to Bosnia.
More
too.
Wago tools. Oh,
We need as many Wago tools as we can get.
we're not. More card holders, wipes, stickers.
Oh, there's more stuff in the box.
There's another box.
There's another box. Second unboxing.
A light, flashlights for the pit. More Wago tools. Oh, Andy, we have to send Andy a picture of this.
Do the video.
Oh my God!
What is
Tape
it?
measure.
Let me see. Okay, so we went through a whole
Like the first week of build season, we had no tape measures until
they all
yesterday.
broke or got lost, and we just bought a whole bunch of new ones. So thank you, National Instruments,
Oops, let's not break it.
for knowing that we needed tape measures.
At the right time.
At the right time, we have
Like 5 or
4,
6 of
5.
them. Thank you. All right, what's in the other
That's
box?
one box.
I want to know what's in
This.
this box. Okay, all right.
Oh, it's like a little Rubik's Cube.
Yeah. Paper.
More paper.
All right, this is.
What's this?
It looks important.
Says Analog Discovery 2 all-in-one USB oscilloscope and instrumentation system.
This video is sponsored by
National Instruments.
Oh wow, this thing is so cool. I don't know what it does, but it looks cool. Yeah. It's fancy. It looks really fancy.
This is so cool. Let's look at it. Cool.
Put it back.
Yep. So that's our little National Instruments unboxing, guys. Thank you so much to our sponsors, National Instruments.
Thank you. You guys are the best.
Okay, so we're going to replace these with and make this the swivel arm, and we're going to add these white wheels in the front to grip up the box a little more, and then this will be used for compression. So when we grab the box, it will stay, and then this will always be in compressed state. So when we let it go, it'll just move when we want it to.
Okay, so this is an intake we've been working on, and so the wheels are supposed to help bring the box in, and spaces are in between to space. And then it's similar to this one, with the rollers. And there's two screws to help it move up and down, and it prohibits it to go any further than here and any further than down here.
Ready, set, go. Okay.
So this is a prototype we've been working on for a while. It's supposed to put a box here, and then basically you pull down on this, and then we determine how far like it can shoot the cube